soon as I finish this, I've got to do the first draft of this book. You can see all kind of misspellings and stuff in here. I write the book really fast, and then I'll go through it and then edit and stuff like that. So I just wanted to tell you guys, like, I just want to inform you, this is how I do it, and it's been working for me. I have not been without a job. You know, we've had several different collapses in the economy where we have recessions. Like, that stuff does not affect me. Now, it affects me in, like, okay, if I'm going to Walmart and the prices are higher or the gas is jacked up or something, yeah, that affects me, obviously. But I'm talking about with a job, I'm good. Like, I'm always employed. And the reason why is because I'm in cybersecurity. I'm in one of the fastest growing industries in the world. And not only that, I stay ahead of the game by marketing myself. So people are constantly contacting me about jobs. And I'm not telling you this to toot my own horn. I'm telling you, you can do this too. You can do all the stuff I'm doing too. Everything I just told you is what I do. Everything I just told you is what I do. And that's how I'm able to stay ahead of the game. I have a dope resume with all the keywords for the industry I'm searching for. It's all over my resume. It's in the summary. It's in the actions that I've done for an organization, in my work experience. It's in my skills. It's all throughout my resume. And then I put that out there. And here's another thing. If you're in IT, if you're on the help desk, if you are laying cable for people, if you're in the hospital, wherever you happen to be, if you've touched a computer before, you have to put all the security stuff that you've done for that industry. You have to put all the stuff you've done, because that's really important. A lot of times what people will do, what they won't do, is they won't put the cybersecurity actions that they have taken. That's really bad. So that's another huge thing that you have to do.